Welcome to the second session of the topic physical quantities and measurements, and the subtopics are listed here: prefixes, scientific notations, significant figure. Prefixes. Some of the quantities are either very large or very small, so we term them easily by using prefixes before the SI unit. Some prefixes are listed here: kilo, mega, giga, and their values are listed here. For example, we have a term 20,000 gram. So instead of writing 20,000 again and again, we can use the prefix. In the last slide, we have already seen the value of kilo. Kilo equals to exponent 3. So instead of writing 20,000 again and again, we can simply write it as 20 kilogram. Kilo means exponent 3. Exponent 3 means 3 zeros. In the second example, we have the term 4.8 exponent 6 watt. So instead of writing exponent 6 again and again, we can use a prefix. Exponent 6. You can easily see that the value of mega equal to exponent 6. So instead of writing a large quantity again and again, we can simply term it as 4.8 megawatt. So in this way, we can use prefixes to write large quantities in a simple form. Scientific notation. A scientific way to write large or small numbers is to express them in some power of 10, and that power is called the exponent. Exponent 6. A moon is this meter away from the earth. So this value or this term is very large. So it can be expressed as 3.8 exponent 8. How we can term it as 3.8 exponent 8? We have to shift the point. How we can shift the point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are shifting the point from right to left, so it becomes 3.8 exponent 8 meter away from the earth. So instead of writing a very large quantity, we can simply term it as 3.8 exponent 8. This conversion is known as the scientific notation. Another example, a number 62750 can be expressed as, how it can be expressed as this? Have a look. We have a point here, we have to shift the point. 1, 2, 3. So we shift the point 3 times, so it becomes 62.7 exponent 3. Or if we shift the point 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, it becomes 6.2 exponent 4. This multiplicative sign and the power of 10, this whole thing is termed as exponent. This exponent 4. If we have a quantity, this sign and 10 power 5, we can term it as exponent 5. You can't say that 6.2 multiplied 10 power 4. No, this will be wrong. You can correct way of this terminology is 6.2 exponent 4. Another example, a term 0.00045 can be expressed as 4.5 exponent minus 4. Why we use minus sign here? Because in this case or in this term, we shift the point from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever we shift the point from left to right, we will have the negative sign with the power. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it becomes 4.5 exponent minus 4. The next topic is significant figures. What are the significant figures? All the digits that are known accurately and one estimated digit. More significant figures means greater precision. Have a look on the rules. Rules of determining significant figures. All digits that is not zero is significant, or you can say that all non-zero digits are significant. 4.2183, these all digits are non-zero, so this term has five significant figures: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant. If the zeros are locating between the non-zero digits, then you can call them as significant figures. 8, 0.0054, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this term has six significant figures. Rule number 3. Zeros to the left of the first non-zero digits are not significant. 0.000349. This term has only three significant figures because these zeros are not between the non-zero digits. 0, it starts from the 0, so it means that we cannot count these zeros in the significant figures. So this term has three significant figures. Rule number 4. For numbers contain decimal point, all the trailing zero count as significant figures. 3.400 has four significant figures. Why we termed it as four significant figures? Because before the decimal point there is a non-zero digits. In this example, before the decimal point we had the zero, so that's why we did not count these zeros in the significant figures. But in this case we have a non-zero digit between the decimal points, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We can count these zero as well, so this term has four significant figures. Next example, 0.02000500. This term has six significant figures: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did not count these two zero. We start from the non-zero digit 1. Zeros are locating between the non-zero digits, so we can count them as well: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For numbers do not contain decimal point, the trailing zeros may or may not be significant. The number 6800, 4, 3 or 2 significant figures. All these answers can be used as a significant figure, or will be all these answers will be correct. Use scientific notation to avoid these ambiguity. Some more examples. 1.0070. Zeros are locating between the non-zero digits, so this term as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five significant figures. And why we can't count this zero? Because before the decimal point we have the non-zero digit, so we should also count this zero as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 17.10 kg. This has the 1, 2, 3, 4. This term also has the four significant figures. Again the same thing. Why we count this zero? Because before the decimal point we have the non-zero digits. 100890. Five significant figures. 3.29 exponent 3 second. This term contains three significant figures: 1, 2, 3. Exponent 3 means three zeros. 0.0054 centimeter. There is a zero before the decimal point, so we cannot term it as significant figure. We can't count these zeros. We can count the non-zero digits, which are 5 and 4. So this term has two significant figures. In the last example, 1, 2, we have the two significant figures. Because in the rule number we already discussed that the only non-zero digits are significant. Look at the example 0.004004500. This number is non-significant. Why? 0 for cosmetic purpose, or we already discussed that the if we have the non-zero digit, if we have the 0 before the decimal point, this 0 cannot be count. So 0 is a not significant. This 0 is also not significant. This 0 we can't count these zeros. Have a look on a 4. First rule. All non-zero digits are significant. So it means that 4 is a significant number. 004. These two zeros are between the non-zero digits 4 and 4. So we can count them. All zeros between the non-zero numbers are also significant. 4, 5 are also significant. 0, zeros at the end of a number to the right of a decimal point. These numbers can be also termed in the significant figure. How many significant figures are there? 4, 2, 2, 3, 3. The last topic is rounding the number, how we can round off the values. Rule number 1. If the digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, then the preceding digit should be left unchanged. Have a look on this term 7.32. If the last digit to be dropped is smaller than 5, last digit is 2, which is smaller than 5. So we can simply precede it to 7.3. So it can simply return it as 7.3. 2 will be drop out. If the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit should be increased by 1. Have a look on this term 17.26. 6 is greater than 5, so we will simply add 1 to the preceding number. Preceding number is 2, so it can be written as 17.3. Another example 11.89. Last number is greater than 5. So we will just add 1 to the preceding value. It becomes 11.9. Number 3 rule. If the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by the digits other than 0, then the preceding digit should be raised by 1. 7.352 on being rounded off to the first decimal becomes 7.4. If the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is not changed if it is even. Have a look on the value 3.45 is rounded off to 3.4. Why? Because if the last digit is 5, it is mentioned here, if the last digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by 0, then the preceding digit is not changed if it is even, and we know that 4 is a even number, so it can simply, you can simply write it as 3.4. If the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1 if it is odd. 3.35. Last digit is 5, but the preceding number is not even. It's an odd number. So we should add 1 to the preceding number. It becomes 3.4. In the same manner, in the last example, 8.350 is rounded off to 8.4 because last number is 5, but 3 is an odd number. So we have to add 1 to the 3. It becomes 8.4. Thank you.